PSLE Maths, StudySmart. How cheat sheets help solving PSLE math challenges. What exactly are cheat sheets? A cheat sheet summarizes facts that can be used to help you do or remember anything. A math cheat sheet facilitates last-minute revision with quick access to reference notes on essential math topics. Enables recording crucial equations, concepts, and theorems for easy future reference and study. How to make a practical math cheat sheet in easy steps. Create a new cheat sheet for each new math chapter. List all the main equations, definitions, and ideas. Take brief notes on theorems and notions. Highlight essential facts, formulas, and tips with different colored pens. Redo your math cheat sheet if it needs to be more organized with more material. What should your cheat sheet include? Copy only the essentials and omit anything unnecessary. Use a separate sheet for each chapter. Use a creative format to offer structure and individuality to your cheat sheet. Sort the information in different boxes. When you recreate your cheat sheet, remove any redundant information. Bring your cheat sheets to class daily and include any information you learn from your teachers. Things your math cheat sheet should include: important information provided by teachers, textbook references, formulas in algebra and geometry, P6 math problems that are difficult, the most important questions of class assessments, quizzes, definitions and terms, diagrams and problems. 3 ways to use your math cheat sheet. Use it as a quick reference as you do your homework. Use your cheat sheet for reference to make your study time more productive. For tests or open-ended exams, use a cheat sheet as a reference.